home extensions built in days, not weeks, with the revolutionary LEKA XI from LEKA Systems. No need for heavy groundworks or traditional block or brick methods. The LEKA XI is transforming homes across the UK, and the process couldn't be easier. Now you can have that bespoke dream home extension with less mess, less stress, and also adding value to your property when it's completed. Plus, the XI comes with the LEKA 40-year warranty for peace of mind. The XI is available from over 300 network LEKA installers across the UK, who can transform your home within a matter of weeks. From ground to roof, your LEKA home extension is a structurally tested, patented GRP system. Unlike timber frame alternatives that are subject to moisture absorption and rot, the XI GRP structure is completely waterproof and weather resistant. There is also no risk of condensation such as steel or aluminium frames due to the technologically advanced GRP production process. The XI is fully building control compliant and has incredible thermal efficiency. A range of brick colours, wet render or composite cladding finishes are available to complete the XI's external appearance, ensuring a contemporary, authentic look every time. Create a usable living space that can be utilised all year round with a LEKA XI modular home extension system. Our processes have been perfected over decades, and every system can be designed to your exact specification. Manufactured at one of several state-of-the-art UK production facilities, the LEKA system is expertly designed, carefully prepared, and precision cut using state-of-the-art machinery. Professionally assembled, each layer of the LEKA system has specialist operators that dedicate their time to ensuring all aspects of the production process are completed with accuracy. Your system is then carefully packaged, labelled and sent to the dispatch area. Loaded onto one of our transport vehicles, your LEKA system is then delivered nationwide to your chosen installer in preparation for completing your bespoke project. Installations are usually completed within several days. Our network partners are on hand to provide clear advice every step of the way. With tens of thousands of projects already completed across the UK, make your first choice the right choice with an XI from LEKA Systems. To find out more information or to locate your nearest LEKA installer, visit our website or call us on 0800 773 4040 or email sales@lekasystems.co.uk.